Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Premiere Pro on Mac for 2026 projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe Premiere Pro on your Mac, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe website. Once on the website, look for the Creativity and Design section. Click on Premiere Pro from the list of available software. You'll be directed to the Premiere Pro page. Here, find and click the download or free trial button. If you don't have an Adobe account, you'll be prompted to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After logging in, the download will begin automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. A new window will open, showing the installation options. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You may need to agree to the license agreement. Read the terms and click Agree to accept. Choose the installation location, which is typically your Applications folder. Once you've made your selection, click Install. You may be asked for your Mac's administrator password. Enter the password and click OK to continue the installation. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once it completes, you'll see a confirmation message. You can now find Adobe Premiere Pro in your Applications folder. Open the program by double-clicking its icon. Upon the first launch, it may take a moment to initialize. You may need to sign in with your Adobe account again. Once signed in, you're ready to start your projects. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Adobe Premiere Pro on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.